Hi everyone, my name is Waleed and I am a civil engineer in UK. In today's video I am going to talk about the weirs and the culverts into our river model. These are the ancillary links that can impact the hydraulic analysis of a river reach. So let's start first with the weirs, like how we can create the weir structures into our river reach. So this is a river reach I have here. I am going to do the quick find by pressing the Control F, or you can just do from here as well. I am going to find my weir section that I have received from my survey data, and I want my weir structure from my upstream to downstream. And so you can use this one and then go to the link, create new object, and from here I am going my 15 upstream to 16 downstream, and this pops up with a new window. I want to be it as a culvert. Oh sorry, I want it to be as a weir, so irregular weir. And from the system type I am going for other and click OK. So this has created our weir into our model, but you can see that we have the validation error here about the chain edge elevation, as we don't have any information about the offset, about the crust level. So as we already have the weir cross section data that we imported, that came from our survey. So this is the cross section data I have, and in InfoWorks we can just copy the data we want for our weir structure. So I only want the offset as well as my bed level. So I am going to select this column by clicking this column and pressing Control and then bed level. Now I have this hole selected and right click and copy. This will ask me that if I want to copy the headers of the column as well. I don't want my headers, so no. Click OK, and now again just double click on the weir structure and go to the elevation, chain edge elevation, and select the offset box and just paste it. This has populated our data into this weir structure. So I will just click OK. Now you can see the validation check has been gone. It has been resolved now. So this is how we can create the weirs in this model in InfoWorks. And also now I'm going to show how we can create the culverts in our river reach. So again I'm just going to quickly find the culvert node that I will have in this model. So I have this culvert node here. I know that there should be culvert outlet as well. So in InfoWorks, culvert is made from three objects. You can say three components. That is the inlet. You will have the inlet of the culvert, and then conduit, and then you will have the conduit, and then you will have the outlet. So these three components makes the culvert in InfoWorks. So first we have the culvert inlet, we have the culvert outlet. Now we have to create the conduit. So for that we can again use this link tool from here that we previously used for the weirs. So just click on this new object from culvert inlet to culvert outlet, and now I'm going to change it to the conduit. So this will be the conduit, and then from here I'm just going to change it to the combined. Click OK. Now you can see that we have this properties panel opened here. So first I am going to make some of the changes to this one, and I already have noted down those changes that we can use for populating our data. So I use an app power tools, so I will just use that. That way you can fix your window. I find it easier. So if I will click any outside of the window, it will stick on the ground, yeah, or stick on the screen, so that I don't have to go back and forth in order to look into this one. So from here I want to change my, first of all, from the conduit type I want it to be the culvert, and from here this is a shape that we want to change it as an arch. So arch sprung I am going to use, and the width is I have the values here. For the width 11,400 and 3,000. For the height and the springing height I want it to be 500, and then I will go to the bottom roughness that I can find here. The bottom roughness should be 50.0 and top roughness is also 50, and from the length I will just keep it as it is. I just go and change my upstream invert level and downstream invert level. That way you can see is 32.040 and the downstream is 31.880. So all of this one has been changed, and from here the culvert code is 9. We are using this one, rectangular box concrete, and then this one is nominal. You can just keep it as a nominal. So I just can turn this off. Control, it's a power tools, it's a good app if you will find. So I use just control Windows T to fix this one. So now I have populated all the information into this one. So my culvert has been created, and if you want to see how the arch looks like, it's the same as in previous video I have shown for my bridge section. That was in-depth tutorial for the structures on the river. So this is how you can see the geometry. This is the geometry. So this is how my opening will look like into my InfoWorks. So this is the culvert structure that we have inserted in our InfoWorks. So yeah, this is how we can have the weir structures and the culverts and the bridges into our river model, because these ancillary links are very critical in the hydraulic analysis. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. Until then, see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.